summer rain on a window. Watch the time float on.
So this is the main entrance, guys. Yan, the property is called the tolplas. So this way, guys, is yung reception nila. So when you arrive here, diretso lang kayo dito para mag-check-in. So yan yung restaurant nila. Nagsiserve sila ng breakfast, lunch, dinner, coffee, and snacks. So punta na tayo sa tiny house area. We'll do a tiny house tour. So this is where you can park your car. Dito kami nagpark kasi malapit lang siya sa tiny house area. So let's go there. So this is the main entrance ng mga tiny houses. Ayan, makikita nyo. Not sure ilan yung bahay na nandito right now. But ours is just straight there yun. So let's go there. So ito yung surroundings dito. Nakapalibot lahat ng mga maliliit na bahay. Ayan. Then may playground. So here outside, ayan, may garden siya on the sides. Then may parasol siya. Pwede nyong gamitin. Then here merong table and a dining set. This is your other side as well. So now let's go inside. Welcome to our tiny home. So dito kami nag-stay for 1 week. So ayan, ito yung mini living room. So, comfortable naman siya. Then, yeah, we have a lamp, side table. Then, over there is the TV. Then, eto, may ano siya, heating system. So, ayan, since malamig dito, i-on mo lang tong heater. Then, warm na siya sa loob. Ayan. Then, ito yung dining table namin na ginawa naming workstation. Kaya, ayan. Then, when you come this side, ito yung closet. So, enough space naman siya. Nilagay na namin yung mga gamit namin. Then, ito, sampayan. So, very functional talaga siya. Ayan, ganyan mo lang yan siya. Tatlo. Then, pwede mo siyang ihang din sa labas. So, pag mag-laundry kayo, yung laundry, merong public or common laundry dun sa my reception. So, this is the bedroom. Dalawang single bed. Then, ikukumbine na lang namin siya paggabi para isang malaking bed sa aming dalawa. Then, yung bed sheets at saka linen, kasali na to sa binayaran namin since wala naman kaming dala. So, pag meron kayong dala, yun, pwede nyong gamitin. Then, yan, basic lang. Ako na ang nag-ayos nito. Then here, yan, more storage, pero hindi na namin ginamit kasi konti lang naman yung dala namin. Yan, so may light kayo both sides. Then, pwede nyo itong i-close pag gabi. Ayan. So, complete na siya, blackout, tsaka may privacy. Then in the morning, ganyan nyo lang din. Then ito, stairway siya, papuntang taas. Kasi sa taas, may dalawang bed din for kids, kung may kids kayo. So, ayan. Ang cute niya talaga. So, dito, yung window niya maliit lang, parang attic. Yung bed, same pa din. Mga maliliit single beds. Then yan, may duvet na din siya. Dito namin nilagay yung luggage namin. Ayan. So, yan. Isang bed dyan. And then, another one over there. Then, yan. Pwede nyo rin ito siyang set aside. Ganyan. Kasi hindi naman namin ginagamit para hindi siya on the way. So, actually, napaka, ng mga gamit din nila. Ang ganda. So, here is the kitchen. So, lahat din kompleto na. So, meron silang oven toaster, then yan, coffee maker, kettle, then, ang dami na din nilang gamit na pangluto or lutuan. Then, of course, yung cutleries. Then, ito yung mini fridge. And, ito yung lutuan. Medyo messy ngayon kasi kaluto lang namin. So, ayan, 4 na burner. Then, ayan, may ilaw at saka exhaust. Kompleto sila sa gamit. So, ayan, mga pangluto. And then, dito, boiler. Then, here, yung mga baso, plato, cups. As in, ang ganda ng mga gamit nila. Ang galing ng, tiny house na to. Then, here, ayan, more kettle, a dish rack. Diyan ko nilagay para pagtuyo ng mga gamit after hugasan. Then here, meron kayo maliit na window. So, pwede niyo siyang i-close paggabi. Then, ayan, sa umaga, open din. Then, eto siya. Ito yung control. Itaas mo lang ito siya pag gusto mo yung hangin pumasok. Kasi sa labas ngayon, as in malamig talaga siya. Kahit na sunny, as in ang lamig. So, pag ayaw nyong malamig sa loob, close mo lang din to. And then, this is the bathroom, guys. At saka shower. Yan. So, ito din. Kasali to sa binayaran namin. But then, bumili kami separately ng 2 towel. So, yan. May mirror. Then, sa taas, yung light. At saka ito, ayan, may saksakan. Then, yan, yung sink. Sa amin na yung, dish hand wash. Then, ayan, more storage dito sa baba ng sink. Ayan, trash, toilet. So, same yung nila. Window. Yan, may panlinis. And then, shower. Hot and cold water is available, guys. Ayan. It's 7:55 guys and it's 14 degrees. 7:55 na pero maliwanag pa din. So mag-groceries lang kami. So, i-arrange ko lang itong binili namin and then mag-dinner na. Pumunta kami ng Jumbo. Ayan, bumili ako ng bread. Ito soft bread sa akin. Then some raisin bread.
Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gonna rather be alone. So tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you, to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. Call you a penny, call you a penny, call you a penny in the freezer. Call you a penny, call you a penny, call you a penny in the freezer. No, 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 no. Said it's time to let it go. Yeah, it's time for me to go over you. 'Cause I'm fine, yeah, I'm done over you. Don't miss me like you should. Said I'm done, da 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 da.
En dan blijf ik verder zien. De vissoep, ja. En de lat? Nee, ja, dat heb ik net ook zo. Ja, wat is er eigenlijk aan de hand? Nee, dat is geen gewicht. Dat is wat normaal.
Another lazy afternoon. The clouds covered in gray. Third coffee of the day. Almost fell asleep on set.
So now, nandito kami sa ibang side. Ito yung bungalow type yata nila na for rent.
Step dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out.
This one is very nice. Ayan, sa labas nila may sarili silang terrace and then overlooking sa lake.
Monday, oh.
So, ito yung lake, guys, na nasa gitna ng whole property. Ayan, nakapalibot lang yung mga houses na iba-ibang klase. Palibot sa lake na to.
When I was a little child, I naturally would see magic in the world around me. Now I often get so tired. It's harder just to be fascinated, breathing free. But I can hear raindrops step dancing on the roof. It's like they're calling out, don't lose your youth, 'cause
So, this is another type of house now. May silang, parking space para sa car. And then, naka-fence din sila. Separate from another house.
today, oh, dancing in the rain, yeah. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, oh, na 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 na. Woo, oh, na 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 na. Woo, na na na. Woo, na na na. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. Put on my rain boots, my favorite chiffon dress. I don't care today what the neighbors might say. 'Cause I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, make today just a little less mundane. Oh, I could stay inside and type away inside. Oh, take today, go dancing in the rain, yeah.
Good morning! Welcome back to my channel and it's Saturday today. Maulang umaga. So, pupunta lang kami ng market. Normally dito sa Netherlands, meron silang open market every Saturday. Then, last day na rin namin dito sa tiny house. Bukas, pupunta na kami sa ibang hotel. Doon ulit ako mag-stay ng 1 week kasi magta-travel si Sander for a week for work. So, doon ako malapit sa airport na hotel sa Belgium. Then, today, punta na muna tayo ng market.
Be over soon.
So this is the city of Enschede. So meron silang open market kasi Saturday ngayon. Then we'll just have some Dutch waffle. Mag-snacks lang tayo guys. Ito yung famous stroop waffle.